Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
Alright, my name's Austin. I got two Genius Audio 212s, 1500 watt apiece, Terra Amps, Smart Bass 3K, wall 3/8, 2 6.5. None of the tweeters are wired in on that wall though, but yeah, does pretty well for what it is.
Who built the box?
Honestly, I'm not too positive, but it's tuned to around 32 6 on my older box, I had one, it did 143.
Okay.
So, without having tuned on this one, it's my first event.
Yes, sir, Bob. Okay. Sounds good. Yeah, man, I'd love to hear it. Looks good. Got some fur action, too.
Yeah, it was something to do.
Yeah, man. And you're in a Scion.
Yep, Scion XP. Watched a bunch of your videos.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Appreciate you watching.
I heard that you were going to be here, and I was like, man, it'd be really cool to see you.
Yeah, man. Yes, sir.
Been here 10 minutes.
Awesome. Hey, can I see the back? Just so I can get a little shot of the back of the box. Is it open?
Yeah, well, the back of the box, Jacob, can you open the box, man?
Jacob.
Yeah, I broke the lever.
Oh,
This piece here.
from base?
Yeah.
Man.
So you have to reach all the way in the back.
Oh, I'm sorry.
And I'm a big boy, so it's kind of hard.
Yeah, I understand. Yes, sir.
Come on, dog.
If you can't get it, don't worry about it. I like to see the back.
It should open. I just had it open. It just popped. Yeah, I heard it.
I heard it.
Really?
Yeah.
That sucks.
Yeah, let's not open it if it's broke. Yeah, don't worry about it if it doesn't. Oh, there you go.
Yeah, it's not. It wasn't completely finished.
It's all good, man. That way I can get a perspective for how big it is.
Yeah.
Nice. And the port comes down here and here.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you for letting me see the back too. I like to see it all. Do you have a high output alternator?
What?
High output alternator?
Yeah, but I don't have. It's just thrown on there. I don't have any diodes.
Awesome. What's going on, everybody? I'm Jacob Vile. I hope you enjoyed the quick walk around. We got an Austin system. Go ahead and hit the thumbs up and comment what you like about his system. This was at the Savannah Seaport Showdown, Savannah, Georgia area of 2022. Pretty impressive demo for a budget-friendly style system. And that's the depth of the box. Sorry if it may not be the prettiest install, but he got it job done, showed out at the show, and gave us a great demo. And I like the amount of port area for this, optimal amount of space for 212s. It's probably a prefab box, but it's still a good size system. And it tuned down in the low 30 Hz range, but it was playing during this demo you're going to see into the 40 Hz range as well. So definitely really punchy system. 3000 watts, and of course a Timpano 4-channel amplifier for his mid-range. And you can really hear the lyrics during this as well. Sometimes you got to deal with copyright. Sorry about that if you ever have a frustration or you watch my videos and you're kind of annoyed with the slowdown. Sometimes if I don't slow down the video, I get copyright. So this was the specs of the subwoofer. It looks like this was the Vulcan series Genius 12-inch sub rated at 1,500 watts RMS. Pretty beefy 12-inch sub if anybody wants to check it out. Link in the description. And sure, he had a stock alternator with this single AGM battery. And since this system demo, there actually was some upgrades he's done on his Scion XB. But we're getting to the demo now. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. 3,000 watt system on two 12-inch subs. Welcome to my channel, Jacob Vile. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button for daily car audio videos every day and enjoy this demo.
This song here, homie. These ain't the only keys I got, you feel me? Hey, I want y'all to take a step into my world. Way
man. Sounds really good. A little punchy in the high 30 hertz range. Yeah, sounds good. Thank you. Thank you for the demo. What was your name, man?
Austin.
Austin, Jacob.
Yeah.
Appreciate the demo. You have a good day.
Yeah, I've actually watched a bunch of your videos.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Appreciate you watching.
I heard that you were going to be here. I was like, man, it'd be really cool to see you.
Yeah, man. Yes, sir.